¿Cómo están el día de hoy? How are you doing, guys, today? Well, as you can see, I brought a mukbang video today since I've been wanting for a little while to have chicken soup like you see here. I can't lift the plate too much because the juice would come out. So for today I have chicken noodle soup. I got M&Ms for dessert and pizza, pepperoni, and I think this is meatballs. I don't know. And I wanted to eat with the chopsticks, but it's not necessary. I mean, if it becomes hard, like not handy to me, then I will just stop and eat it with my fork. I have a fork right here, as you may see. And the reason why I am not showing my face today, it's because I couldn't find an angle with the tripod I had, which is one of these little ones that you can put on a table. I couldn't find the right angle to shoot myself. Well, yeah, that's the word. Is that the word? Well, to be my whole face and the food in the picture. I think it's because I don't have a tripod tall enough. So, well, yeah, I mean, we're good. So, I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to be showing you some things up close as much as I can because it's hard. Yeah, I told you this was hard. Come on, focus, you son of a gun. There you go. I've not been not bad. I'm not the kind of person that would taste what they cook when they're cooking. That's a huge mistake, but I'm not that kind of person. So pretty much I just do it by eye, and then I see how it ends. It's still kind of hot. Yeah, I do what I can. I don't have a special drink for today, just water. I'm gonna try and eat as much as I can. Whoops. I have a personal vacuum cleaner. That's my dog. Of course, I don't allow him to eat everything I drop on the floor. With time, I think I will learn to grab the chopsticks correctly. He stared at me. Now that I just remember, I've been trying to record a video like this like 3 times, and each time the mic would just not record. So I wouldn't just realize at the end, and the second time it happened, I would just like do a just a trial to see if it was working, and it was working. But I think when I reconnected it again, I did it wrong. I'm not sure, so I hope this one works, because no mames. Oh Jesus. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Sorry about that. I'm sorry about all the pumps with the mic. It's not my intention. I'm sorry. I said at the beginning, I've been craving for chicken soup. So I have some chicken breasts, and recently I bought these little onions, like large onions, and I had some celery and peas and carrots, and I had this kind of noodle. Whoop. I would like to show you guys, but I'm not sure. So it's kind of flat. Well, it's flat actually, but I was wanting for something a little bit more transparent. These are I think these are glass noodles, I'm not sure. Jesus, I need to practice how to hold this. I'm gonna rearrange a little bit here. It's because I don't want to crash with the mic, and I need more space. Not chicken. Sorry. Oh, this actually starts to make you sweat. It's a little bit spicy too. I added a little of sriracha, but because it is made of I think it is bell pepper, like pepper, and of course other kind of pepper, but bell pepper, so it gives it a nice spice and nice flavor, kicks it up a notch. Sorry for all the noise, you guys. Okay, this is taking a little bit too long, so I'm gonna start using the fork. There you go. Oh, this also has, oh Jesus, I forgot. Well, it has a little bit of cinnamon stick, like piece like this big. I don't know where it might be. I hope I haven't eaten it. If I had, well, it's just done, but I don't wanna. If it just happened, I mean, whatever. Like many ASMR artists do after they drink. Well, it is refreshing. The reason why I added cinnamon stick is because the last time I made this kind of soup, I wanted it to be like pho, but yeah, it was a mess. I think I added too much pasta and then it had a lot of chicken, and I added cucumber, and it was like had ginger, many other things, and it was like a lot. I think I just didn't measure ingredients right, but this time I nailed it. So pepperoni. Minutes without accidents, 0. Just a second, I'm trying to. Whatever. Whoop. Oh my god. Sorry. It's just breaking apart. So I'm not gonna eat all of the soup because I want to finish the pizza and the chocolates. But it was good. I mean, this can cure a flu for sure. And the last bite. Wow. That was a feast. Yum, 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 yum. I enjoyed each part. Can you see the M? So the sad story is when I was trying to record another videos for you guys, like the other ones, like kind of mukbangy. The first one I was eating this. I was eating these are peanut butter M&Ms. So sorry. I was trying to record a video with this, but when I watched the video, I realized that there was no sound at all. And then the second one, I was eating a watermelon, like a big chunk of watermelon, and some popcorn, salt, sea salt and sugar. I think it was cane sugar, I'm not sure. And that was delicious, but that was the time when I did the trial and it worked, but when I saw the whole video it was muted. So now I think I'm doing the right thing, I hope. The serving size for this is I think 16. Round thing is like pearl circles, dots, whatever, balls. And I brought more than 16 because yeah, I'm just in a gluttony attack. But yeah, this is actually not easy to get fed up of, because they're really good and they don't have as many sugar and like junky stuff as the other versions, because this one is peanut butter and it's really good. So thank you very much guys for watching me. I'll keep doing mukbang videos as long as I have this kind of cool things to eat, like chicken noodle. Like it has many things, ingredients on it, so it's a fun thing to eat. And just like pizza, I don't have pizza that long, like that much, but this time I had the opportunity and this was a gift, so I still have plenty. Maybe I'll make another video, maybe tomorrow, who knows, about M&M's, because the one I was doing, I was liking it and it had a future, but then I don't know, it got fucked up. God damn it. Well, I hope you guys are doing okay. You guys are